This 2022 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3550BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This used Grand Design is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 10, refrigerator, oven, external shower, awning, TV, spare tire kit, skylight, stove top burner, Colorado Detector, auxiliary battery, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3550BH is 12,918 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.